Nature gives us a lot. Light, air, and water created life in this world. We have the ability to enjoy. Jinheng Company Limited will be the leader sincerely to keep such a precious life that was given by nature. Clean pipework, Scale Buster. Life in the world is water. Are animals and plants in the world able to survive if water is contaminated? To purify water, it's necessary to keep it clean. You can compare it like the blood vessel in human body. In every pipework, regardless of which material, you have scaling by and by. How does rusting form?
Organic, inorganic, or other elements form scalings, which is a good area for bacteria to live. And those bacteria give off the exudates, just to send out polymers. Scalings are a good medium for all kinds of bacteria, which is conditional on changes of chemical parameters. You can find microbiological-induced corrosion inside the pipework.
The total length of water supply pipes in Korea is about 118 million kilometers. The pipework is connected with all kinds of pipes, from forebay to taps in-house. Such pipework, from water abstraction to the filtration plants, it has occupied around 1% in the total length of pipes. The pipework between filtration plants and water reservoir, pressure plants, are occupied around 4% in the total length of piping. The pipes between water reservoir or pressure plants and water flow meter is called drain pipes. It has occupied around 40% of water supply pipes. It is called water service pipes from water flow meter to tap in-house. It has occupied more than half of total pipes. The size of the factory is around 10,000 square meters. This factory has the best technology in the world to resolve the problem of corrosion inside pipework. They make progress completely in production, installation, and verifications, etc. Pipework, apart from local water companies or inside buildings, need maintenance regularly. Scale Buster has the ability to keep the pipework clean from all kinds of scalings and rust. From the source to the tap, Scale Buster keeps running a clean pipework. There are more than 100 local governments in Korea. Installation of Scale Buster in pipework of local water companies is a story full of success. Nationwide, more than 50,000 units have been installed in 200 different apartments with positive feedback from customers. There were no incidents to stop factory operation due to the problem of water supplying, since the Scale Busters have been installed in the factory. The installation of Scale Buster in the Bonn incineration plant is a good example of successful application by getting reputation of good quality for this product. So far, more than 100,000 devices have been supplied to Europe. There is no need to install water softener if Scale Buster is installed in newly built building, individual houses, etc. Filed test before and after installation. 3 months. 6 months. After 9 months, residents can check directly for themselves what the effects are. Now, let's look at the technology of Scale Buster. Outside, Scale Buster consists of brass and high-purity zinc with Teflon in the internal surface. The reason of scaling and corrosion is diverse. Rust is the result of corrosion. Metal reacts with oxygen and water and gets rust color. Scaling is the result of the combination of calcium and magnesium in the water. They built a needle structure which sticks easily to the inner surface of the pipework. When water flows through the Scale Buster, zinc has been ionized. The scale buster forms a galvanic cell with 1-volt electric potential, activating the electrons to move. This iron-assembled form transforms from needle to bigger agglomerates, up to 15 times larger than before. Rust converts to magnetite with black color. The life cycle of the pipework is now more than 2 times what it was before. The R&D Center of KIST and Jinheng are able to approve the efficiency and can provide corresponding water analysis. There is an existing patent granted in 63 countries and also certified by authoritative global institutes. We have explained the problems in pipeworks by inviting many experts, domestic and foreign figures, and presented the existing technology and the responsibility after installation. From the start of business, we hold a lot of seminars about potable and wastewater pipeworks, although we faced many problems because of low interest in Korea. We have started to publish the problems in pipeworks, and through a documentary and economic forum in the National Assembly, we got a lot of attention from people and also from the Ministry for Environment. It's time to keep the precious water that nature has given us with our technology. Nature is a top priority for Jinheng Company Limited. We are going to make our sincere efforts to clean water pipes and purify water for a better future for human beings. Jinheng.